Discord. All right, welcome everybody. So Wednesday, January 21st, I'm doing Zooms Monday through Thursday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Same link that you're getting on tonight. My name is Brian Rhodes. I'm going over TMX Global. Sometimes I talk about TMX Exchange and TMX Global because TMX Exchange is a perpetual decentralized leverage trading exchange that we have created that our community is using to either stake tokens, buy tokens to stake those TLP tokens, liquidity, and earn passive income. And that's where the vision came to create TMX Global, was to off ramp the money we're making from there or trading. I'm a trader. I trade, I make profits, hopefully, and then I put it in, TMX Global and I spend it on my card, which is a fantastic setup how this works. I got a plastic card here. I have a metal card in my bag that's not around me. Mark has one right over here. You see that? That's a beautiful card right here. This one's plastic. They work almost everywhere. I've had them work at all the ATMs I've went to, especially the plastic one. The metal one I just put in, slide it in. I don't put it in the one that goes all the way in. That's just me, but I've never had a problem at all withdrawing money, using it anywhere out in public. I pay all my bills with the card. We also have virtual cards as well too, and those virtual cards we're upgrading it, so we have those coming next month. But with that, this system is so cool that you have the ability to get your own dedicated bank account. And what does that mean? That means you have a current bank account, hopefully. If you don't, you're unbankable. This is even better for you because you can get banked here if you want a bank account. So with that, setting up a dedicated bank account is you having the ability to say you have a Wells Fargo or a Regions or Bank of America. Your dedicated bank account in the back office of TMX Global might be with JP Morgan, or if you're in Canada with Bank of Montreal, or yeah, Bank of Montreal. And then if you're in Europe, you might get a Clearbank or a Barclays. And with those, that bank account is in your name. Or if you set it up in an LLC, it's in your LLC name or S Corp. So with that, you're wiring money or ACHing money to yourself and then transferring it to crypto and moving it out of the system or moving it to your card. So tonight I'm going to go through a little bit about how this complete system works. So this is recorded. You can watch the replay and just stay tuned, take some notes and get ready. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And all right, so right here I'm going to go over a PDF quick and pretty quick for you. This is our complete PDF over the whole system. So with TMS Global, I mean, we're basically unleashing the power for you to have a fully functional financial platform where you can do any type of banking through multi-currency accounts and crypto at the same time. So with that, we are able to have full banking capabilities across 200 different countries, which obviously regular banks and crypto exchanges just don't offer. We have plastic, metal, virtual cards that have great spending limits, and I'll explain that and go over that in a little bit. We support crypto on-ramp and off-ramp, which traditional banks still, they just won't allow it. We have a phenomenal affiliate program too. So not only affiliate, but a rewards plan that I'll talk about too. So not only is this a full banking system from banking to crypto to cards, I did put an affiliate program around this and a reward system for people to earn. So with that, banks make you beg, like we've talked about a little bit here. I mean, you go in there, you tell them you're sending it to crypto exchanges, they might not even let you do it. Here you're setting a dedicated bank account up where you're sending it to yourself, which is really cool, in a top tier bank. So with that, we have the ability to have multi-currency accounts as well. So like if you want a US account, a Euros account, Great British Pound account, Canadian account, an AED account, we have Australian accounts, New Zealand accounts coming as well. So you can exchange your fiat through different currencies. You don't have to wait 3 to 5 business days. It almost happens instantly. Crypto, yes, we're crypto friendly. That was kind of the vision why we even started this for my community that has We have a lot of money invested in a decentralized leverage trading exchange that we will earn profits from trading fees. We wanted to off-ramp that crypto onto the platform and load it onto a card and spend it. At the same time, we wanted to send in wires or ACHs to our own dedicated bank account, exchange it to crypto, and move it to that exchange to stake it and earn from trading fees. So we created TMX Global. You don't have to do the exchange part, but that's the vision and that's the reason why we created this. But this works for anybody in any situation. If you're unbankable, if you're a crypto enthusiast, if you're holding a lot of crypto and want to learn how to spend it. If you're a trader, if you're a part of other crypto programs, this is a great tool to teach your community how to buy it and how to off-ramp it. We have metal cards, virtual cards. We offer, you know, plastic and metal. These are hybrid credit cards that you can actually use to rent a car with. So you can run it as debit, and then along with that, the banks that we're using are top tier banks on rails and secure with those banks. Our rewards program, it pays you simply using the system and using the card. You got a unique referral code that you can use to enroll people. You don't even have to buy a package to enroll people and get paid, but to move that money that you are recruiting and sharing your link with, to use that, you have to buy a package. But you can earn first without even buying a package. So with that link, you can use to invite your friends, colleagues, followers, you can use it in our lead system as well and capture leads and follow up and do whatever you want with. So when someone purchases, you get paid instantly in your affiliate portal that you can withdraw right to your bank. The rewards program, I can't wait to really dive into that because that is going to be one of the most exciting things down the road as more people take on TMX Global. So with that, instant withdrawals. You can move it right into the platform, move it around. The commissions are fantastic. I want to break down the commissions. Built-in compliance, so you don't have to. Advanced security, bank grade encryption. We have um, authentication using secure Rails, top tier one banking systems, automatic KYC, fast identity verification process to know who you are and you are who you are, AML monitoring, continuous transaction surveillance as well. Like this isn't just some rinky-dink platform. Everything is there and everything is there for your security and compliance. So you don't have to worry about it. Some of the benefits and future upgrades. I'll start with the future upgrades. We got PayPal, Cash App, Google Pay, Apple Pay, WeChat Pay, Stripe, Resolute. So many more options coming for you to use inside the system. We'll be able to use multi-different uh, wallets, API your exchange like crypto.com or Kraken if you want. Also, you'll have the ability to use a lot of different top coins, not just the stable tokens that we have now with USDT and USDC. We have a lot of different options to deposit. We have yeah, basically the users to API and import their non-custodial wallets, transfer between your physical and virtual cards. You can unload your money off of the card and move it into crypto and move it out. You can move it back. You can do whatever you want. This is your money and you have control over it. So with that, on the affiliate side, the marketing side, and the rewards plan, none of this is guaranteed income. None of this is passive income. You do have to qualify. There's, variable factors that you have to do to be able to earn this. And it's simply obviously doing the work and doing the transactions and swipes, then you'll get paid. But none of this is passive, just to let you know. Our three-tiered affiliate structure, 30% online one. Someone buys a package, you get paid 30% from it. And I say it package because this isn't a crypto card platform. And then second line is 10%. Third line is 5%. So with that, there's 45% going out. We take that and pay it out to the distributors that are sharing. Our lowest package, and sometimes one of our most popular ones, is a signature package. $250 for this package comes with e-wallet. It comes with the international and domestic bank accounts. You can set that up if you want. Comes with the crypto side, comes with a virtual and a physical card, 25,000 daily load limit. Uh, compatible with Apple Pay, Google Pay. You can load that virtual card onto there. Then you notice I didn't say anything about the rewards plan for that one. The reward system, it's called a global bonus pool. That comes with the gold package here and the black package. First, gold. This is has everything the signature card has, signature pack has, sorry. And then it has a $50,000 daily limit, but with a 30% global bonus pool, when you qualify for it. Black package, this has everything the gold has besides a premium metal card that Mark showed at the beginning. And then it has a $100,000 spending limit. You can load $100,000, swipe $100,000, load $100,000, swipe $100,000. And it comes with a 70% global bonus pool when you qualify for it. So there's 100% of that is getting paid out through gold and black. That's one thing why black is a little more expensive because that 70% over time will be a big commission for those that are utilizing the system. So now those direct referrals that I was talking about, if someone buys a black package directly from your link, you're going to get a 30% commission instantly paid. That's $300 paid into your account. You can withdraw it right to the bank. They buy a gold, you get 150. They buy a signature, you get 75. Then that person you enrolled, if they share it with their friend and they buy a black package, you're going to get $100 from that black package. They buy a gold, you get $50. They buy a signature, you get 25. Then on that third level, you get 5%. So if that person shares it, you get $50 on a black, 25 on a gold, and 12.50 on a signature, which, hey, it's money coming in. It's pretty cool when you start sharing and those people start sharing. And you get paid 3 levels, which is great. Here is our global bonus pool. So this rewards program, we take 30% from the global transaction fees contribute to the monthly rewards pool. So let's say we do $100,000 in transaction revenue on the banking side. So that pool would be $30,000. We take that 30,000 and like I said, we divide it into a 30% for the gold and 70% for the black. So you can see here, the gold would get 99,000 and the black would get 21,000. That's distributed among the people that qualify, the people that have bought either a black package or a gold package and that have done 5 platform transactions and 20 card swipes. And I'll talk a little bit about what those are in a minute. Then I added a TMX Titan bonus. This is for those people that really take advantage probably of our lead system and drive a lot of traffic and enroll a lot of direct people. You have to enroll 100,000 in direct frontline volume and you get a $10,000 bonus. Pretty sweet extra money just coming in from doing what you're already doing anyways. And how to qualify for the monthly reward systems. Gold or black package, 5 transactions. Transactions are card loading. That could be from your e-wallet to your card, from your crypto to card, e-wallet transfers. That'd be like me sending money inside the system from my e-wallet to Mark's e-wallet. And then, or it could be crypto to fiat transfers or card to card, like unloading a card and moving it to another card. And then 20 card swipes. These could be online, these could be in person. It could be just basically making a transaction on your card too, doing a swipe on your card, purchasing on your card. So risk and compliance considerations. If you don't do any of the transactions or swipes, you're not going to get paid from on that global bonus pool, just to be straight up. Misuse, fraud may result in suspension or removal. Rules may evolve to maintain compliance and regulations. Obviously, that's how the world works in banking. And then members are responsible for their own tax reporting. So getting started, get with the person that invited you, get your account set up, go through the process of creating an account. And when you do, you're gonna log in. Once you create an account, you're gonna see this. This is my back office. Here's on the white page, on the light page. So this one is bright. I like the dark, but today let's just go over it with the white. So on the left side, you're gonna see dashboard, marketing and sales. And you can see leads here. This is fantastic. This just got implemented, right? Anybody that I sent this link out to right here, like, hey, go put your information in. They put their information in. It takes them basically right to, um, let's just put it in, right? Right. No, let's go back. I'll show you. See, it comes to a page very similar to this without putting everything in. So it has all the information in it, has the packages, and then they would select it and go through the process. But when they do that, they're gonna come right in and put their information here. When they do that, it's gonna show the information down here. Then you got these little bars down here that you can follow up with them. Did you call them? Yep. So you did contact. You can say I contacted them. Then you got qualified them, and then if you call them the next day, this is your follow-up thing right here where you can just contact them. So it's kind of cool how this works. This lead system is great. You just start building up leads. You got your transactions, shows your transactions that's going on in the system, shows your notifications going on. Anytime you did any type of notification, withdrawals, anybody, referrals, anything that you've done, you got your Q&A, your resources. These resources are fantastic too, to where you can come back here and see everything about our system, jurisdictions, TMX Global Secured Credit Card Program, credit and debit insurances, core banking platform. Everything you want to know about the system is here. FAQ, general, e-wallet, banking, crypto, cards, all of it is here. Then you got reporting. You got your customer report. You got your customer report like from your network. You got your transaction right here if you want to print that off as well. So now go back to the dashboard. On the top, total earnings. This is the total earnings from my first three levels. Here's level one. And anybody I enrolled level one, you just click view and it has all those people that you enrolled or the newest person that you enrolled. Then you got level two right here. Click that. You can see who's on your level two. Same thing with level three. Who's on your level three? At the top, it shows your package. I'm in the black package and I have no funds in here to withdraw. So I'm going back to dark because it's just so bright. So coming in here next is the global bonus pool right here in the middle. This is that 30% from the community doing 5 different transactions in our system. There's 18 people that have qualified, 6 gold, 12 blacks. You can see here hovering over black, gold. This is the total global bonus pool payout so far this month. And then here is the average $28 and $33 cash back for those people that are doing it. So last month it was like $53. It ended up being towards the end of the month. Then we got our join our community. Here's our YouTube channel, our Telegram channel, and our Telegram chat where you can go into there. We have multiple different topics, anything and everything you need to know about our community. You can ask questions in there, talk to people. And don't talk outside of the Telegram. Don't send anybody money. Don't click on any links. You just don't trust Telegram, to be honest with you. Just talk inside the groups, get on the Zooms and watch the replays. So my global team name, you can put whatever name you want here, your name, email, phone number, referred by, your referral link here, social medias if you want to connect that and send out, leaderboards, who enrolled signatures, gold, black, quick actions, your profile, your order package. You're new, you're going to buy a package. You're going to come through here, buy a package, choose one of the packages. And then with that, I'm going to have an API of $23 sent to your wallet when you order a package. So you withdraw that to wallet, and then you can go into the system and use that to purchase a card inside the system. So we know to ship you out a card right away when you do all the verifications. Also, it has the Titan goal right here, up to 100,000. That's 7,000 so far. You have your transactions down here. You can see how many transactions you've done, how many card swipes that you've done. You've got your network levels right here as well, level 1, level 2, level 3. And then you actually have your network team right here as well. So, we have everything here for anybody that wants to use this and really go at this and grow this, be a part of it, connect the community, and just plain have all the information right here on one page. Well, when you're ready, when you order that package and you withdraw the bank, then you're going to click this link right here that says log into or sorry, log in to banking. That's going to take you over to, sorry, over here to the banking portal. This side, you're going to register your account. You're going to go through that process. You'll see e-wallet here. You got the internal transfer, the withdrawal to bank, the withdrawal to crypto, the withdrawal to card. Then you got crypto over here, crypto or crypto here. You got your deposits. These are the ones you can deposit crypto in. All these networks, USDT, some of them USDC. You can see here, you can read it on the bottom. You would send funds in, and when you can buy crypto here from third-party providers, Stripe and Changely, put the amount in and confirm and set up that, go through that, and you can buy crypto in the system. You can withdraw crypto. So say you got paid in your e-wallet and you want to swap the e-wallet to crypto and withdraw it, you can do that. You send in crypto, deposit it. Sometimes you got to click the sync button. And then you click withdraw the card, you put the amount in, and you choose which card you want to send it to. And then with that, you got, withdraw the bank. You can send it over to your bank crypto card, a crypto account, sorry. Then you have cards. You can have up to 3 physical cards. Like I said, next month we'll have virtual cards in here. If you went through this process and you verified your accounts already and you want to get your card to know it's going to get shipped and what you have to do, you have to click on order cards. And then it'll have the address you're going to ship it to right here. You come down, you choose crypto or e-wallet, you choose the box, and you click order cards, and then it processes in the system that you need a card. That's when it gets shipped out to you. If you loaded money onto your card and you don't want it on there, you click unload. If you want to change your PIN, you click settings and change your PIN. You'll get your card in the mail, you'll click activate card and put your card number in there. That's simple as that, and that's how you use it. Now, the banking portal side. This is separate than this side. You don't need the banking portal, you don't have to set it up. You don't need the cards, you don't have to do those either. So in the banking portal, you're going to go through the process. You're going to pay for a banking account. It's a one-time fee of $8.95 and it's $5 a month to have a bank account. When you do this, you click on deposit and it'll have your wire information, your ACH information, your SWIFT. You can choose multi-currencies, euros, Great British Pound, AED. We'll have Canadian should be in there. Just isn't added on mine. You can add Bitcoin for your crypto bank accounts, your bank account, bank crypto accounts. Sorry. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, USDT, and different networks, right? You choose one of those. You can see where I chose all of them. And then I was like, oh, wait, they're $5 a month. I don't need all of them. I just need one. So I just want the Tron USDT, right? So I wired in money. You see transactions here. First time I ever did it, I wired in 5,000. A wire is $50 and ACH is $5. So I learned that quick. It took 101 because of the $50 fee for the wire and the 1% on the deposit. I traded that to USDT, and then I withdrew it. That happened all in a very quick process from 2:15 to 3:56, 4 o'clock, less than 2 hours. I wired in money and then withdrew it in crypto. And the cool part about this is, when you get a USD bank account up, you'll go to that open account at the top right and you'll choose the crypto one that you want to use. Then once you do that, and you have both of them, you can exchange that wire right here in the system, USD to Tron. Bang, put the amount in right here, fixed source. That's what I did. Description, preview. When you do that, it shows up right here. Say you wanted to send in crypto here, you could send it to this wallet in USDT. Bang, send it in here. It shows up right here. Then you click exchange here and you move it from Tron to USD, put it into the bank account. And this bank account you can use just like a bank account anywhere else. You get the account number, the routing number, all the information to it. It's all in your name, not in our name. We're not in the flow of these funds at all. TMX Global, we just have this on here and have the relationship with our banking partner that has a relationship with these banks. In that aspect, if you want to wire money in, convert it to crypto, and then withdraw it out of the system, you can do that. You just set up a counterparty. Here, a counterparty is simply coming in, clicking add new counterparty, coming in, choosing what you want to do. If you want to set up a wire information to wire money out from a bank account, you can. If you want to set up another crypto account. So I went through, I chose crypto, I chose myself, chose individual, came down, chose currency, I chose wallet type, other, I'm not an institution, and I submitted it, put the information in, and then there's my trust wallet. When I did that, it said pending for a minute. Then it says withdraw. So I click withdraw. And then I withdrew that USDT Tron, that $4,951 that I withdrew out to my trust wallet, all in less than 2 hours. So it is smooth. Once you learn this, let this sink in, you can do whatever you want back here. If I wire in 100 grand and I owe Mark 25,000, I can click transfer right here, put 25,000 in, and then put his email in and send it from my bank account to his bank account. You can swap between bank accounts as well. So there's a lot of cool things you can do back here. Transfer between crypto bank accounts. If he wants crypto, I can move it to crypto and send it to his banking account there as well. So there's a lot of cool features that you can do inside of TMX Global that you really can't do anywhere else that I've ever seen in the world. And I've been in crypto for years. I teach it. I teach crypto safety. I work with people all day long, teaching them how to maneuver crypto, how to trade. That's what we've done. That's what we've done. And when we set this up, we know what we're doing, and we wanted to do it because we are doing it and we trust ourselves, me and my buddy Adam. And that's why we set up TMX Exchange too, because we know that's long-term play. And then that's the same thing with TMX Global. With TMX Global, it's not a typical platform where you need any kind of, how do you say it, new enrollments for the system to work. The system works. It's a banking system, a card system, a banking system. That we just hired the packages up, gave 45% of that away, brought in really nice metal card, and then take a percentage of those, any transactions in the system, and gave it back to the people as well. So we just wanted it to be exciting, fun, and not your typical, let's go use crypto.com and pay way too many fees. And then, sometimes you just get flagged with fraud and something doesn't work. Here, different. You got great support through TMX Global and through the banking system. There's support there. They get back with you instantly, email, AI bots. I haven't had one problem with anything. So, I mean, to throw you out on the spot, Mark, since you're on here, I'll ask you to mute. How's your experience been using the system, using the card? Let me see, ask you to unmute, see if that'll work. There you
You
go.
got me?
Yep, I hear you.
All right. So, since using the card, I haven't had any issues. I mean, the only place I would say I had, no, actually, correction. I've had two issues on the customer service side. Instantly corrected everything, not a problem. I did one AI, it worked quick. Um, the person on the email was amazing. I can't remember her name, but I've had issues, and every time I come,
Bianca.
yeah, yeah. So she's like, everything gets done. So I've had no issues. I mean, I'm just trying to get more and more money out of my other bullshit banks.
Yep, and use them here.
Yeah.
That's cool. Thanks for sharing.
But no, another thing is actually, yeah, the card. When I just love giving it to people, they're like, "What the hell?" It's they like, yeah, and then they don't understand, and I'm like, I'm trying to do the same. It's like, no, Bitcoin. Oh, okay, but
It's a heavy card. I mean, it's
yeah,
29 gram solid card. It's nice.
it's so, yeah, it's so funny when you just drop it and they're like, "What?" and they pick it up, But yeah, otherwise, I love just showing it off. It's fun.
I like it.
Yeah.
Brian, I see you unmuted.
Yeah, I just had a question. So staking will always be available in TMX. It's not just when that 2-year lock period goes up on the pre-sale, is it?
TMX Exchange.
No, TMX, yes, exchange.
I don't know what you're talking about.
So the
Like,
staking that we do on the exchange.
Yeah, I mean, you can stake forever for the rest of your
That's
life.
my question. I didn't know if it ended when the pre-sale
No,
token.
no, that's just pre-sale tokens.
Okay,
People,
perfect.
so what he's talking about is we did a pre-sale for our token, and those are vested out over a 2-year period. And since then, the token we pre-saled at 50 cents. Now the token's around $9. And look for that to pump going into next week. So I mean, we can see $18, $25, $30 pretty quick with our token. And it's not just about the token, it's the trading fees that you'll earn from that token. So, I mean, our community is really happy. Paul's a part of the community on here, what I mean? Uh, so, I mean, we just stake, we earn from trading fees. There's no funny business. It's a perpetual, decentralized leverage trading exchange. And to kind of give you an idea of that, I'll show you how that works. So, coming over, here's our token actually looking at it. It's around $9. We're on multiple different exchanges. We'll be on more and more exchanges, even ones in the United States. Our token's sitting at $9. Here's our exchange where you can leverage trade up to 50x, soon 100x. Um, the big advantage for a lot of us is just staking and earning passive income. So you can take that TMX token, stake it in the exchange, and earn up to 100, sorry, can't even say the word right, 1,000% APR. And the reason why is because the token has so much um, has the ability to go in up a lot, basically, because you're earning from 20% pool of the fees as a TMX token staker, but the token can go up to $50 or $100 by the end of this year. You never know what it's going to do. 90% of our tokens are locked into the exchange smart contracts that are vested out to the people that are staking, basically, and trading. Then there's TLP token. That's a total liquidity token. That's what it's called. These get 50% from the fees. So 20%, 50%, that's 70% of the fees that go through the system are paid between right here. And this is a stable token. You put $100,000 in, you'll have $100,000, maybe even a little bit more as liquidity grows. With this, you go into trade. Right now, this is version 1. Next week, we'll have version 2. It'll have a lot more bells and whistles, copy trading, DCA bots, grid bots, a lot of different things people can use that traders obviously want to use for their communities to follow them. We got the leaderboards. You can connect here, connect to people's accounts, connect your wallet to it. Because you see, I'm just connected right here to my MetaMask account. That's it. My MetaMask account is connected to it, and that's it. It's no KYC, no emails, no names, nothing. With that, we have our earn tabs. You buy TMX tokens, you come in here. That's what's in my wallet. You'd stake them right here where I have that. Right here, this amount is staked. I'm earning more TMX tokens. Then you got your total staked in the whole community. There's 702,000 TMX tokens staked. This is your earning tab over here where you're earning Ethereum right now. Soon that'll be USDT. You're earning TMX tokens as well. And that combined right here, totals the value. And then you just hit claim, and that claim will go right to your wallet. My TLP tokens here, my escrow TMX. These are the TMX tokens you're earning from staking your TMX tokens that you actually earn trading fees on those as well. You can unstake those, move them to a vault, get paid your TMX tokens that you put in the vault over a 365 days. You get paid those tokens. You can withdraw those and restake them up top, and those will always be liquid. Anything you have staked here, you can always unstake. Nothing is locked in. That's the thing. And the pre-sale tokens are right here. These are the ones we bought early on that are growing, and you just claim those. As you claim those, you just goes right to your wallet, confirm it, goes right to your wallet, loads into your wallet right here. 71, now it says 76. So it's finely tuned machine, all runs on all smart contracts, which is all audited by Certec, #1 blockchain company in the world. We piggybacked off of an exchange called GMX, which has been out for over 5 years. It's hundreds of millions of dollars in liquidity. They've done billions of dollars in trading volume and trading fees and all types of stuff. So I mean, they were using their open source code, which is what you take from them and you plug ours into it, and we added a lot more things. And they're actually going to promote us because we're going to have features that they don't have. And we'll get promoted by the Arbitrum One network, which is a very fast and very cheap network to move crypto around on. Go ahead, Brian.
Just quick question. When do you think the virtual cards be back online?
Next month.
Next month. Okay. All right.
Next
Thank
month for
you.
the virtual cards, as we're just waiting to get the update on that. And there's so many things that we're just waiting on compliance to say thumbs up and everything is good. So I'll go ahead and I'll stay on the Zoom, but I'm going to stop the recording.